Glory, glory, hallelujah. Help me sing it. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Oh, you can't stop my through from watching right on.
This poem I'm getting ready to do is basically metaphor. The tree that I'm talking about, you know, you can take this tree and put it anywhere you want. It can be the school system, it can be our family, it can be the church, you know, that has divine roots that are actually bearing these strange fruits, you know. That's what the poem is written about. I never thought that I would see in my wildest fantasies a tree with such divine roots bearing strange fruit. Fruit that festers beneath the feet of a 400-year-old elder's sheet wet with tears of sorrow. Wasted dreams of tomorrow, their struggle and their sacrifices forgotten. Today, scared, shivering at the sight of a ghost that's about to lose his pants as he dances to dope beats, hooks, and shallow lyrics that reflect shallow minds and ignore the signs of the times. Shackled feet stuck on city streets, unable to seek a solution to the insanity. Killing fields of cotton crops now replaced with golden clocks as infant clocks, his rocks, stacks, and protects his blocks he sells. And then he sold on modern day auction blocks. I know we are the next generation and we're not scared to die, but we gave up. We forgot. We lost our understanding, so instead of standing on their shoulders, we stand on their graves and behave like our ancestors never exist. That's right. That our ancestors never exist. As they choke from rope and prey, they would take a different approach, but no, we travel down crooked roads and play hide and seek with crooked cops who oversee modern day auction blocks. And we die. Strange fruit that festers and die because instead of for a cause. So everything that they've done, forgotten, so that we have become our ancestors' worst nightmare. But them on the other side will never forget, and I pray that they will forgive us for not remembering the Haitian proverb. It's the ancestors that assist the living, and not the living who assist the ancestors. So the words that have been spoken, let not their struggle be unbroken. Right.
We have had an unexpected guest that came and made a request. He's a young man. And when young folk want to participate in your celebration of a man born 199 years ago, if you fail to heal their request, God will not deliver you. So my brother, come in and introduce yourself and do your thing.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Markel Watson, and I would love for y'all, well, I want to thank, I don't know her name.
Queen Quet.
Queen Quet for taking the time out to show young people their heritage, and I will be singing a solo called I Pray We'll All Be Ready. I pray we'll all be ready. I pray we'll all be ready. I pray we'll all be ready for His return. I pray that we'll get our business straight, so we can all meet at the gate. I pray we'll all